Which word is an interrogative adverb? Options are A. Who, B. Which, C. When, D. That. The correct answer is when. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions about. Options are A. People, B. Things, C. Time, place, reason, or manner, D. Objects only. The correct answer is time, place, reason, or manner. Choose the interrogative adverb in the sentence, why are you late? Options are A. You, B. Are, C. Why, D. Late. The correct answer is why. Which interrogative adverb asks about time? Options are A. Where, B. Why, C. How, D. When. The correct answer is when. Which word is not an interrogative adverb? Options are A. How, B. Where, C. What, D. Why. The correct answer is what. Fill in the blank. Blank did the event start? Options are A. Why, B. When, C. How, D. Where. The correct answer is when. Which interrogative adverb asks about place? Options are A. How, B. Why, C. Where, D. When. The correct answer is where. Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. How you finished the work, B. How did you finish the work, C. How did you finish the work, D. How you did finish the work. The correct answer is how did you finish the work. Which interrogative adverb asks about reason? Options are A. When, B. Where, C. Why, D. How. The correct answer is why. Which sentence uses an interrogative adverb correctly? Options are A. Where you are going, B. Where are you going, C. Where you going are, D. Where are going you. The correct answer is where are you going.